In this video, I will show you how to add a table in drawio. Creating tables can help you organize information, plan structures, or create grid layouts inside your diagram. To start, go to the top toolbar. On the right side, you will see the table icon. Click on it. A grid selector will appear where you can choose the size of your table. You can go up to 20 by 20. Just move your mouse to select the number of rows and columns you want. For this example, I will select a 12 by 10 table. Click once, and the table will be inserted onto the canvas. Now you can customize the table. You can drag the corners to resize it, and drag the inside edges to adjust row height or column width. If you want to edit the table structure, click the table icon again. From here, you can insert columns, delete columns, insert rows above or below, and remove rows. For example, if I click Insert Row After, you will see a new row appear under the one I selected. You can also format individual cells. Click on any cell, and then choose a background color to highlight it. To add text, simply double-click inside a cell and start typing. You can style your text using the formatting options on the right side. That's how you create and customize a table in Draw.io. If this tutorial was helpful, consider subscribing for more Draw.io guides.